Good Monday. It's not always good Mondays. The Roxor is usually more of a wants unit. We want to add cabs, we want to add lift kits, wheels, tires, what have you. And sometimes it turns into a needs business. Today, this one come in from Wisconsin. He wanted to go through a water hole, and the engine didn't want to take on the water that it took on. So number one cylinder's down a little bit. We got a bent rod in that one, so that's going to be getting torn apart and taken care of. Jesse out of Tennessee there. Everybody knows Jesse. Puts it through his paces. I think that's yours too, Jesse. Jesse had some valve issues, which is another video I could get into later about what happened. I probably will do a video later on this one about what actually happened to Jesse's 2024 Roxor. He would rather wants to be out at Windrock playing around, burning up the trails and doing whatever, but today's Monday, doesn't have any cool rhyme or reason. It's just a needs repair day here at Diesel Freak. That's what we're doing, fixing them up, get you guys back out playing. Have a great week, fellas.